You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. For more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons coming up for you. Initially coming from the Welsh name Evan, meaning gift of God. Gift of God. This is generally an American name, or most commonly given in America. In American English, the pronunciation is as Jevon. Jevon. In British English, however, the pronunciation is more generally as Jevon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.